Welcome back guys to ISO 20 tutoring. Today we're going to be going through the topic of completing the square, which is yet another way to solve quadratics. And so if you need any help with quadratics, simply just visit our other videos where you'll see some guided advice on factorizing, expanding, and also the use of the quadratic formula. So this question says, solve by completing the square, x squared plus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to put a bracket. So we're going to do x plus the half of the coefficient. So we know that half of plus 6 is going to be plus 3. So x plus 3 all squared. And so the next thing that we need to do is we need to half the square of this number. So 3 squared is 9. I want to take off that 9 and then take off that 2 and set that equal to 0. So if I just minus this 9 and then minus this 2, I get x plus 3 all squared minus 11 is equal to 0. Next thing that I want to do is I want to shift everything to the other side. So I'm going to add 11 on both sides, and then I get x plus 3 all squared is equal to 11. Next thing I want to do is I want to get rid of the squared symbol. So this is a very key step because I'm going to square root both sides. And when people square root, they often forget that there are two answers. There's a plus and a minus answer. So always remember your plus or minus sign and minus sign, sorry. So last thing that we need to do is simply minus 3 from both sides, and then we get x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 11. So if we look at this entire workings out again, the hardest part is knowing that you need to half the coefficient of x and then put this into the bracket. This is called making the square, and then squaring that and remembering to take off that constant, the 3 squared that you don't want, and then simply adding whatever constant you do obtain to the other side so that you get a squared bracket that's equal to a number, and then isolating the x by subtracting or adding if you have a question that requires it. So hopefully that helps. If you need any help with your maths or science revision, simply DM us on Insta, follow us on Facebook, on TikTok, and obviously on YouTube. Please like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully that helped. See you soon.